Hello students, welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School's YouTube channel. Myself Mr. Abhilash Jadhav, and dear students, we are learning one of the natural disaster, and that is the wildfire. In first three parts of the wildfire, in this series of the videos, we have understood what are means. What do you mean by the natural disaster? One such natural disaster is the wildfire. What is meant by the wildfire? And what are the factors which contribute in the spread of the wildfire, and even we have discussed the various natural reasons, causes, and the human errors, human mistakes because of which the wildfires happen. So in short, we have learned about the causes of the wildfires as well. Now it is time to learn about the effects of the wildfire. What are the effects of the wildfire on nature and on us, on humans? We will study the effects of the wildfire on nature and on the human life. Okay, so this is the wildfire gets spread in the forests. So wildfire is the part of the nature, you know it. It plays a key role in shaping ecosystems by serving as an agent of renewal and change. Okay, this is only a disaster. In a way, it is helpful for the nature. Earthquakes are not at all helpful, they are destructive. Cyclones not at all helpful, they are destructive. Okay, so most of the natural disasters are destructive one. Okay, they bring the damage and loss of the lives only, but this is one natural disaster which can work or which can act as the agent of renewal, change. It can bring the change in the nature, because during wildfire most of the trees, they will burn out the old one, and it will make area, or it will make the land available for the new plants to grow. So these new plants, the younger plants, will produce more fruits, will give us the better results, and which will give us the better air. So these wildfires can be the agent of the renewal and change, but they can be very deadly as well. They can destroy the homes of the wildlife habitat. Many animals which live in the forest, they can destroy the homes of these animals, and it can also destroy the timber. It can because of the wildfire, it can lead to polluting the air with the emission of the harmful carbon dioxide, which is injurious to human health. So destroy the habitat of the many animals. It also leads to the pollution. It because it emits the carbon dioxide, which is a harmful gas for the humans. Okay, fire also releases the carbon dioxide, as I said, a key greenhouse gas. What are the greenhouse gases? We will be studying if we'll get a chance. So it is one of the key greenhouse gas which traps the heat of the sun, okay, into the atmosphere. They don't allow the heat to escape into the atmosphere, and because of which the temperature of the earth is increasing day by day. So it releases carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas, and because of which the temperature of the earth is increasing day by day. Animals lose their lives who stay in the forest, for whom the forest is itself their habitat home. They lose their lives in the forest fire. It is sad but true fact that the birds, squirrels, rabbits, and other wildlife animals are no longer a part of this great earth because of the wildfires. Because of that, because of the wildfire, they may lose their lives. Come to the human effect. Incomes, people, they depends on the forest. They collect the various different things from the forest, they sell them into the market, they earn money, and they run their families, their everyday life. So incomes and the jobs of so many people who depends directly or indirectly on the forest, they lose that, and because of that they becomes unemployed. So this is also one of the effect of the wildfire. Wildfires also destroy the trees and the plants. Trees and plants help to produce the oxygen for us. You know that the less number of the trees, less number of the plants, there is the less clean air we have to breathe. So with no plants and no trees, animals and humans we may not be able to survive no longer, or there will be the existence of the life on the earth may be in danger if this kind of the wildfires keeps on occurring on the regular basis. And the large amount of the smoke is also released into the air, which makes it difficult for us to breathe and which causes the air pollution. And if you breathe in the polluted air, it can lead to many diseases related to our lungs, related to our respiratory system. Unfortunately, some humans also who can also lose their lives during these wildfires, especially these people who fight, firefighters who are fighting the fire. These people while saving the lives of the other people, they may also lose their lives during these wildfires. So these all are the effects of the wildfires, my dear students. So here we will stop. I think everybody is able to understand or have understood the various effects of the wildfire on the nature and on the human life. Thank you so much.